Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing choices so you can act quickly. Check Oakland's regulations now so you avoid fines. This affects where you can use the detector. Once done, set your budget, $100 for basic, $300, $600 for solid hobby units, $1,000 plus for pro gear, and prioritize features. Discrimination to filter junk, ground balance for mineralized soil, and coil size for depth versus coverage. Make a short comparison list of 3 models to test in stores or online reviews before buying. Next, go acquire the detector using the comparison you made. Visit local outdoor or fishing shops in Oaklands to handle units and test ergonomics. Make sure they allow on-site demos. If unsure, rent one for a weekend from a rental shop or tool library to verify performance on Oakland's terrain. Once satisfied, compare store warranties and return policies and choose payment with a card that offers purchase protection. Register with a local detecting club for advice and potential group buys. Finish by preparing the detector for your first Oakland search. Assemble the unit and run ground balance and sensitivity calibration on site so readings match local soil. Practice discrimination settings on known targets. Make sure you have any required permits or written permission for private or protected areas and carry documentation. Pack a pinpointer, small shovel, headphones, spare batteries, and a rain cover. If you get constant false signals, lower sensitivity slightly and rerun ground balance to reduce chatter and improve target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.